Welcome back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'll be showing you how to bake the soft and fluffy bread. Please stay tuned. So you start by adding half cup of water into a glass. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, teaspoons sorry, of sugar and yeast. Stir it together and cover it for until you see some bubbles on it. In a separate bowl, add some flour, nutmeg, sugar, and salt. Mix everything together and create a hole in the middle for the liquid ingredients. Add the yeast mixture here, few drops of vanilla essence, and half cup of milk, so making a total of 1 cup of liquid. Now mix everything together, forming your dough. At this point, you can actually use your hands because you will need your hands to knead the dough very well. So you add 2 tablespoons of oil to the dough gradually. Like when it gets too sticky for your hands, you add a bit of the oil until the oil is finished. The goal is a very smooth and stretchy dough. So however you will play with it till you get that texture, you would have to. At this point, you place it back into the bowl and cover it for it to rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, that's how the dough looks. It has become soft and it will be very easy for you to mold it into shapes. After shaping them into balls, you cover with a plastic foil and leave at a warm place for an hour or more if you have time. After 1 hour, this is how it looks. So you brush the surface of the bread with milk and bake in a preheated oven for 7 to 15 minutes. I baked mine for just 7 minutes because I used the conversion settings on the
brushed the
oven. Crust with some oil to make it soft after baking, and that was it.